Welcome to Restore and Reshape Center. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Ahmed Ibrahim, a PS and a hair transplant specialist. Restore and Reshape Center have been held up since 2013, and all over the past 12 years, we have a great honor and a great pleasure to serve all our customers. Restore and Reshape Center have three main specialties, which are plastic surgeries, nutrition, which is served by Dr. Manal Ismail, a member in the European Committee of Clinical Nutrition. And finally, pain management, and is served by Dr. Ahmed Hassan al-Razi. There are three main areas in Restore and Reshape Center. Firstly, our great reception design, which is designed to serve all our customer rest. Secondly, our operation room. Our operation room is designed for all minor surgeries such as blepharoplasty, otoplasty, hair transplant surgeries, and finally fat injection. The room is fully equipped with all the equipments that guarantee a safe and easy operation. Finally, Restore and Reshape Rest Room, which is used only for one-day operations to guarantee our customer rest all over the time spent in our center.